Fentanyl is an absolute game changer in the drug abuse world.
Partially because it often comes in disguise, in heroin, in cocaine, even in knockoff pills.
We've never had a substance contaminating both the illegal drug supply as well as these counterfeit pills.
And fentanyl is potent. According to the CDC, 50 times more so than heroin and 100 times more potent than cocaine.
It's such a potent drug, just a little bit will kill you.
We know use is skyrocketing. This graph shows law enforcement encounters with the drug, and there's a steep increase just in the last 2 years. So the question becomes, how do we stop it? Something especially difficult because drug expert Carol Falkowski says we aren't entirely sure where the problem is starting.
At the heart of any drug epidemic is both supply and demand. And step number one is figuring out the source of the supply, because what you do about the supply varies according to what the original source is.
U.S. officials have said the drug is predominantly being manufactured in China. However, late last week, in a fax sent to the U.S. Drug Enforcement Administration and to the Associated Press, China refuted that, saying those statements lack the support of sufficient numbers of actual confirmed cases.
If it is the case that China is the source of fentanyl, our government needs to reach out to China and say, what can we do collectively to stop the influx? It's wreaking havoc, it's producing death in our country.
Without a known source, however, an already deadly problem becomes even deadlier. In St. Paul, Josh Rosenthal, 5 Eyewitness News.